In the previous video, I showed you how to install and run MPT 30 billion LLM from Mosaic MLs. I have been playing around with this large language model and I can safely say that it is one of the fastest LLM I have seen to this date. You definitely need a powerful system for it, but if you want to try it out, you can try it out on Hugging Face website. Before I show you that, I will also put the link to this to my installation video in video's description. And as you can see, I have been running this system locally on my system, which is AWS EC2 instance. And for this, all you need to do is to download this file, COBOL DCPP, and also this model file. And for the detailed description, please follow the video, my another installation videos link in video's description. Okay. Having said that, this is the Hugging Face website where you can space where you can go and play around with this system. All you need to do is to just type here any prompt and then submit, and it's blazing fast. It, you can see that it just came out like this. And if let me give it another each on maybe I will say Australian politics. So you can see that it is just processing on the top right. The processing time is just under 6 seconds, and it has just given me 4 pointers. If you compare it to ChatGPT, I find it more speedy and agile, and even speedier than Falcon. Now, just to give you a quick intro, Mosaic pre-trained transformer or MPT models are GPT-style decoder only transformers with several improvements including higher speed, greater stability, and longer context lengths. All MPT 30 billion models come with special features that differentiate them from other LLMs, including an 8K token context window at training time, support for even longer context via alibi, and efficient inference plus training performance via flash attention. And Mosaic ML Foundation is simply expanding their MPT based models every month, I would say, because this MPT 30 billion is a new open source model licensed for commercial use that is significantly more powerful than MPT 7 billions and also outperform the original GPT-3. Mosaic ML has also released two fine-tuned variants. One is called MPT 30 billion instruct and the second one is MPT 30 billion chat, and both of them are built on top of MPT 30 billion and excel at single turn instruction, following and multi-turn conversation respectively. So I hope that you like it. And I will just repeat it again that if you want to install it locally, please follow the link to the video at top right or in the video's description. Thank you very much.